Hi, behind me you can see a network diagram. In a webinar I gave an introduction how to make robust plans, and I gave an introduction to a method where we can estimate the duration and the dependencies of these activities. Let's have a look. Here you can see the network diagram, and you can see a sub-network diagram here. Here you can see the workshop program, and this is about estimating the duration of the activity, but it's also about estimating the dependencies. For instance, how early can this start related to this one? And here you can see maybe in best case it can start eight weeks before this finalizes. In worst case, it has to wait 1 week, or in average, or most likely, it can start 4 weeks before this is finished. This we do with all these activities in the network diagram. And here you see the impact of the ocean. You can consider this as a kind of an aquarium where everything is controlled. We know there are some variations in our aquarium, number of fish, plants, temperature, etc. And here we have the oceans of things outside the project that disturbs what is going on into the aquarium. And this is actually shown out here. Here you can see we have our deliverables, activities in the aquarium, and in the surroundings we have what is going to impact from the ocean into the aquarium. Here we have a lot of keywords that has been identified by the analyze group. And these we are sorting out into say 6 to 10 overall factors that each individually have an impact for the duration of these activities in the aquarium. So if you're interested in knowing more about these kind of webinars, you can contact me. There are information below this video. I hope to see you. Bye for now.